What's up, GI baby? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my little bun, my high bun on my natural hair. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys, like, from the get-go, I wanted to do a braid ponytail, and you guys know how my hair is like red on the ends a little bit, so I bought red hair and it just went downhill. So instead of just bumping the whole video, I just wanted to give you guys a little style on how I do my high ponytails, because we were already in that direction already. So what you guys can see me doing right here, I was just hot combing my hair a little bit because I did say that I was doing the braid ponytail, so I want to make sure my hair was as sleek as possible. Now, you do not have to do this. However, I did it in the video and I didn't want to leave out parts of what I did already. I just wanted to show you guys the whole process and still show you guys me doing this braid ponytail. I didn't show you guys the whole braid ponytail. I just showed you guys when it was going downhill and I stopped and realized, okay, this is not working, so let's just do the bun. But I feel like doing what I'm doing right here is a really good tip on how to, you know, keep your hair stable when you're doing a high type ponytail. So what I'm doing right here is just separating my hair into two sections, and then I'm going to take out my baby hairs first and slick up the top first in the ponytail, and then we're gonna go ahead and follow up the back. So we're doing two sections. The reason why I felt like I needed to do this was because I felt like it was just gonna give my top ponytail a more solid foundation, and the hair will really stay into place. So as you guys can see, what I'm doing right now, I'm taking my edge booster and I am just putting that all over my hair so it can be really slick. And we're gonna go ahead and start slicking up that first section and putting it into a ponytail first. Orange hair with a red braid. Like, I was like, I'm not walking around looking like that. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not even gonna try myself like that. I'm not even gonna show y'all me looking like that, because I wouldn't want y'all to look like that. But I just curled my ponytail because I thought I was gonna do something totally different. This step right here is not a step that you need to do to get a good bun. I could have just put my hair in a bun like right after I took the braid out, but like I said before, when the hairstyle started going downhill, I was like, what if I should do something different? Like I should do this or I should do that, and then I would just came down to it and said I'm just gonna do a bun. So really, a bun is very, very simple. All you do is just swoop it around like I did, like you just see me do, and add your bobby pins to it. Sometimes if you have to re-swoop your hair, if you feel like the bun is not looking cute, you can just take it on out and reposition your hair. But that's all it is to it. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. I feel like as long as you have that good foundation with your hair, when you slick it up, the rest is pretty much good. All you have to do is slick your baby hairs and you will be in there. So for my edges, I'm using this instant edge control. I really wouldn't recommend this. I seen it at the beauty supply store and I wanted to try it just because it was something new, just to see if it will be another product that's super good. It says it doesn't flake and stuff, but it pretty much does what all the other edge controls do. Say don't flake, and it does flake. So and it doesn't really give me a really good hold. It gave me a good hold for this video for a good couple minutes, and then my baby hairs and stuff started slicking up like 2 hours after. So I would say I would recommend this edge control. If you use any other edge control, continue doing what you're doing. But in this video, I do spray my hair with different types of sprays and stuff because I did use like edge booster and stuff on my hair, and I just wanted to make sure that my hair did not turn white or anything. So I did go ahead and spray different sprays in my hair just to prevent that. That's the only reason why I was spraying like little holding sprays in my hair and stuff. This is a hair flex spray. This is a flexible holding spray. I sprayed that all over my hair just for that white cast, you know, just to make sure I didn't get a white cast, and just to make sure that my hair stays in place, being that we do have it in like a top bunish type. But this is all to it, you guys. This is a very easy hairstyle. It's very easy, something that you can really, really go to all the time. I really like this hairstyle. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to put my hair in. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys can achieve this hairstyle if you try it at home or whatever. And yes, GI babies, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay blessed. I love you guys. See you guys in the next one.